Screen recording takes too much effort? JoggAI's AI-powered screen recorder enhances both your screen recording and voice with AI, then adds an AI avatar to turn it into a more engaging and professional explainer video. No camera, no studio. There are 2 easy ways to access this extension. You can find it under All Tools on the JoggAI website, or simply grab it from the Chrome Web Store for instant access anywhere. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started with the JoggAI screen recorder via the Chrome Store. Step 1. Install the JoggAI screen recorder from the Chrome Web Store, then pin JoggAI to your toolbar for easy access. Step 2. Click the JoggAI icon to get started. Choose to record your full screen, a window, or just a selected area. And speak naturally as you go. Blur sensitive information instantly. And add notes or annotations while recording. When you're done, simply click Stop. Step 3. Once the recording ends, you'll be taken straight into the JoggAI editor. Want to reach a global audience instantly? Translate your video with one click. JoggAI automatically removes filler words and splits your recording into clear, logical scenes. Step 4. Now it's time to choose an AI avatar to present your content with studio quality narration and perfect lip sync. And edit the script anytime while everything stays perfectly in sync. Step 5. Click Render to export your finished video. That's how you create a professional explainer videos with JoggAI AI-powered screen recorder. JoggAI is more than a screen recorder. It's an AI avatar video generator designed for marketing, content creation, and education. Record once, speak naturally. Let JoggAI handle the rest.